Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant stuck at preparing download screen. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up Test Manager and then go on search and write Riot and make sure no Riot client tasks is running. So all the tasks, and on system tray should be no Riot client as well. Then what you need to do here is to look on search for Riot client, right click on it and run as admin. Press OK, and of course log into your account. Once you're logged in, select Valorant, and then look if you're still getting the same error or not. If the problem is not fixed, then press on your profile icon on the top right. Then you need to go to Settings. On Settings, select Valorant, deselect Enable Auto Update button here, and press Repair. Start repair and wait until repair process is done. And after it's done, press OK. You can close this and look if it's not fixed. If it's not fixed, try to also simply update app. If it's not working, then do not close basically the client, just minimize it, open up Test Manager, and then on Test Manager, look for Riot client, and then look for network part here. Maybe on background, the Riot client will start to update Valorant. So leave the client on the background and look in the Test Manager from time to time, and if the network is not changing, right, like this. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.